Pilates is for everybody, for all age groups, beginning like 12 years old to you can say 70 and 80 years old. Result is very important. So we try to give them result oriented programs. Normally children, they are not playing, sometimes they are more of computer person or like more static lifestyle. So when they are working out here, they are getting more flexibility, they are getting good posture, and they are feeling that energy is flowing in their body and they are more active. Adults like 25 years to 30 years or 35 years, they have lifestyle problems, sometimes back problems, lot of working, sometimes they have spondylitis. So Pilates helping them to strengthen those muscles which they are lacking. Senior citizens, they worked out on their core muscles and strengthened their leg muscles through Pilates exercises. They are very happy now. They are able to walk without pain. We have targeted exercises also. For example, somebody is having pear-shaped body and having big thighs from sides, and Pilates has such exercises that this is called leg exercise series. So we are doing such exercises. In 10 sessions we can see the difference.
My stomach was 36, but after 3 sitting, I lose 1 inch.
Pilates has some special kind of breathing. When you breathe Pilates way and you perform exercise on reformer, it helps to pull those muscles inside. So you really feel you are working on your core. Every action is starting from the core in Pilates, and normally postnatal core muscle gets so loose and so weak. We need to tighten the core muscles. And when we are doing mat Pilates and reformer Pilates, especially for postnatal, I mean the recuperation or coming back is faster. So you come back very fast to your natural shape.
My baby is now 6 months old, and within 6 months I've lost most of my weight. I'm back to my normal shape, and I feel far more energetic than I did even before my baby. So I really feel it's been very helpful.
Gym is all about building muscles, but a lot of people don't do the gym properly, and they end up just putting on a lot of bulk and not having the real strength in the muscles. Whereas Pilates works on the muscle strength, which is really important for everybody.
People are coming to us from the gym, they mostly having back problem because of bad posture. We are correcting their posture through Pilates, and we are strengthening and lengthening their muscles through Pilates. Posture is the most important thing for a person to sustain a good and healthy life.